This is Temtop's air quality monitor, so let's go ahead and show you what you're getting. Now it does work with their air system, comes with a charging cable and adapter. This is really nice. So you can remove the protective film if you want to. It'll just make it cleaner looking. You don't have to, but... And this you can also get that with them. It's another product, and this monitors the air quality as well. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to add, see if we can find it. There it is. So we're going to tap it because it found it right away. And we'll let it do its process. Okay, so now it's connected, and you can see how many it can connect to. So you can connect a lot. Okay, now we can take a look and we can see everything here. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. So it gives you health advice. So this is from the unit itself up through here, and then this is from the little box unit. So we could place this in our basement or somewhere else, and we can get the readings from that room and that temp and all that kind of stuff. You could do tons of different things with this. You could see day and month. It is touchscreen, and again, when you peel it off, you don't have those scratches. But I like keeping this on here just to protect the screen. I don't mind. And you can tap each individual monitor. So you can tap each one. We can swipe. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you can see the temperature, which is pretty cool. And then, of course, we have all of our settings, and I'm going to play around with this for a little bit. You can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. There's an alarm clock that you have on here as well. So you can set alarms, do not disturb, alert settings, screensavers. You can add more devices. We're going to set the screensaver to start after 30 minutes. You can set alerts for air quality, temperature. So, overall, this is awesome. You can tap and you can see air quality tips. So if we go back here, you just tap the air quality tips. And this gives you a range, meaning good, moderate, and poor. And you want to stay within those ranges. It goes over these as well. So colors. So we can see that the temp, it doesn't really matter for temperature because, you know, temperature is going to be whatever you want to set it for, but everything else is green, which is great. We put this one in our basement as well, so we can monitor the air in our basement. Overall, I love this.